Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where today's video is all about how to change these puppies. Oh, they're air filters for your MG Midget, by the way. So let's do it. Oh, what's life without being a bit silly, hey? Tools for this job are fairly straightforward. You're going to need some new elements to go inside the filter housing. You're going to need a couple of gaskets, a 1/2 inch spanner and socket, and a little scrapey to get rid of any of the old gasket that might be stuck to the housing or the carburetor. Okay, let's go. First things first, you can see these 4 bolts that basically go in to the housing at the back here that sit against the carburetor. So we want to get those off. So you can use a socket, or if you can't get a socket in there, use a ring spanner, and let's get to work. So I've just unscrewed the last one. This housing should just come off. Look at that. So what I'm going to do now is use a scraper to get rid of all this stuff off this, get it all nice and neat, and then we're gonna, you can see someone's already done it, but open up here, open up, replace the old filter with the new ones, and refit. Now this might not be the right way, but I'm going to give it a go. You can just see here a little pre-expanded divot, which I'm guessing is where everyone else has changed these. So I'm going to slot in there because we want to prise this bit off. So we're just going to gently do it. And there we are. Here's the old element. Let's take a look. Do you know what? These don't look too bad. But because we care greatly about the car, we're going to replace them anyway. So, old one out. Give it a bit of a blow. Make sure it's nice and clean in there. New one in. Plate back on. These can be notoriously difficult to press back in. I'm being very, very gentle. There we go. In it goes. Nice and gentle, lift it off. There's our old one. In the new one goes. Let's get this fascia plate back on, the back plate, sorry. Obviously these bolts move around and you don't want them to be out of alignment. So try and get it so that they're back in a similar line with each other. What we'll do is we'll put the gaskets on, like this, get those ready, gaskets. Now I'm going to offer these up to the holes on the mounting points on the carburetor and start to tighten them in. And there you have it, air filter housing back on the car, not going anywhere, nice and flush to the carburetors. You can see with the gasket. All done. So there you go, old one's out, new one's in. Fairly straightforward job. Until the next time, all the love in the world to you, my wonderful viewers. Take care for now.